Welcome to week 3. Our objective for this class is to help you find a profitable YouTube niche. Or if you're someone who doesn't know anything about niche, or you don't even know where to start, you don't even know the kind of content to start creating on YouTube, or you have a lot of ideas, we're going to be giving you idea or walking you through some of the most profitable niches that you can explore that fit your ideas. What is a YouTube niche? A YouTube niche is your core content focus. Your core content focus. That's what a YouTube niche is all about. Remember, underline the word core. It means that you could have other, secondary focuses, but your core focus is your niche. That is the topic lane that your channel lives in. One example of niches that we have is the personal finance. You see a lot of people doing videos on personal finance, how to level up your finance in your 20s, how to level up your finance in your 30s, how to make social amount of money online, this and that. That's personal finance niche. We also have the faceless motivation niche. A lot of people make motivational videos that inspire people without necessarily showing their faces. That's a niche that they explore. We have the tech review niche. We have people who just review tech products like the latest phones, the latest iPhone release, the latest Android release, the latest Infinix phone, the latest Samsung, the latest gadgets. They just review these products, tell you the features of these products, and tell you why you should purchase this particular tech product or not. So they give like tech reviews. Some people also make it their niche is on movie reviews, entertainment, music reviews, like that. That's their niche. And other people are food vlogging. All they talk about is food, food, food. Different kinds of dishes. They make dishes. They talk about dishes. And some people they focus on how to help you do this, how to help you do that. So a lot of people have different niches that are primary or they are core niches, and then they have the secondary niche. So you can guide yourself into knowing your core niche. If you're a music person or if you're someone who is a chef, someone who likes to cook or talk about food, then you are focusing on the food niche, and how to do this, how to do that will also form the secondary niches. How to make egusi soup, how to do this, how to do that. So I'm going to be listing out some profitable high CPM niches. There are two kinds of niches. We have the high CPM niches and the high traffic niches. But that doesn't mean that both cannot be intertwined. You can be in the high CPM niche and also be in the high traffic niche. One of the high CPM niches that we have, how to make money online. This is a high CPM niche because a lot of people are gradually garnering into this niche and it's gaining a lot of momentum. You can earn a lot per 1,000 views if you're in this particular niche. Another niche is investing and finance. This is also a high CPM niche. We have the tech and gadget, we have the real estate, we have education and career, we have business and marketing, we have automation, AI and coding, we have health and fitness. You agree with me that these niches are high value niches. And then we have the high traffic niches that it doesn't really matter the value or content that you put in there. You could actually go viral. You could get a lot of traffic simply by doing any of this. And these niches include comedy and skit making. Like your comedy does not necessarily have to have a good message, but it can go viral. So comedy and skit making is one of the high traffic niches. These niches gives you quick growth, but not high CPMs. Quick growth means that your content can go viral. You can have like 100K views in 2 days, but that does not translate to how much you're earning per those views. So that's why they are not high CPM niches. Then we have gossip and reaction. They also fall under the high traffic niches because a lot of people are interested in gossip. It could go viral when you talk about somebody or something that people just rush to your channel to watch it, but they may not stay on your channel after they watch that video. Then we have fashion and beauty, we have gaming, and then we have storytelling, true crime, etc. Faceless channel videos, like I mentioned that we're going to talk about, you could actually make videos with just text to speech and getting stock images from online or wherever you get your stock images and make your faceless videos. You could make your faceless videos through slideshows and narration. Imagine making a PowerPoint presentation and then adding narration to it. That's a faceless video that you don't necessarily need to be showing your face before making those videos. That's all you need to make a faceless video. do your narration, text to speech, and you can also do all of this from the applications that you use to edit your videos. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot to make a faceless video. So I hope that with this, you understand how to go about making a faceless content and how to go about getting your niche, knowing the niche that you want to start delving into. And some of the areas or places where you can do your niche research would be Google Trends. You can actually do that. You can do it on TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is just like YouTube Studio. It helps you to do your analytics, check for keyword, do your keywords research, and also help you optimize your YouTube channel. You can go there to see trending keywords, see trending topics, see areas that are trending, and then maybe you would use that to form your niche if you don't already know which area you want to focus on YouTube. So that's it about today's class, and you're going to do the same action tasks that you have been doing for our previous classes. Tell me the niche you want to focus on and what kind of videos you want to be producing. Do you want to be producing personal branding videos, or you want to be producing faceless videos, and how you intend to go about it? I'll see you guys in the next class.